What's up, family? My name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Hey, family, Cardano is up 11.5% today, and I couldn't be more happier. Now, if you've been watching this channel, last week I talked about Cardano, and I talked about some other cryptos in the market, and I talked about how, when I take a look at the technicals, how the market is starting to flatten out, and we are getting this some sort of a bottoming out here, and it has begun to sustain itself. So this may be a good opportunity where we can buy more crypto and we can continue adding to our portfolio. Okay, now there is a huge lot of information out there in the crypto space about Solana. So Solana is starting to have difficulties. Well, if you've been in the crypto space, you know that Solana has had some difficulties when it comes to their blockchain technology, and the system has been failing at times. And so we had a recent crash of the Solana system, and so now those folks that were thinking Solana was the next Ethereum are starting to have some issues with the Solana blockchain. And now some of those people that are starting to dump their Solana, and they're going back into buying ETH. They're going back into buying Cardano. They're going back into buying more Bitcoin. Okay, and so let's take a look at a technical chart here. And so when we take a look at Cardano, and so what I have is the 20-day SMA. All right, and so we did move above that 20-day SMA on May 30th, and we've stayed above the 20-day SMA. And so when we take a look at the MACD, we had the crossover on the oscillator going up, which is a good indication that momentum is coming into the crypto. Now remember, as momentum comes into the crypto, that doesn't mean that we're going to always have a huge increase in price, but that's basically telling us that we're getting more action, more price action into this play here. All right, and so again, I love the fact that we crossed over the 20-day moving average, and we're staying above the 20-day moving average, right? And so even though we had a nice bullish candle here, somewhat bullish candle there, we had a bearish candle, somewhat of an engulfing pattern. And so what that is telling us is that if the following candle is trading below this candle, we could have more of a push to the downside. But we had some support here, so we didn't have that push to the downside. We are pretty much just flattening out, right? So we've been flattening out here, and so we had a nice push up. So let's maintain and stay above this 20-day moving average. Nice bullish candle yesterday. We had this candle here, which is a doji here, which is a sign for indecision. And so indecision is saying, hey, I don't know what to do. The bulls and the bears have been fighting. So we have the buyers wanting to buy and the sellers wanting to sell. And so as a result of that, we got nothing here. I wouldn't say nothing. Green candles, which could signal a little bit of on the bullish side. We had again another doji here, strong bullish candle the following day. So hopefully we'll continue with the momentum. We'll continue candlestick development, and hopefully we'll move back up to 70 cents pretty soon. But as of right now, we are holding along that 20-day moving average, family, and I think that we have more room to the upside. I didn't want to take long on this Cardano video, but I just wanted to let you know we are hovering above the 20-day moving average, which is 53 cents. And so let's get to 62. Let's get to 70. Let's see if we can get to 70 cents this week, and hopefully we'll be back on our push back to $1. Okay, family, now I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.